Hi everyone, welcome back to Kenzie's Toy Tower. Today we are opening day 7 of the Smushy Friends Advent Calendar. Let's get started. Okay. Oh, look inside, it's so cute. The little penguin. Oh, isn't it just like the one in the box? Oh my gosh, it totally is. But he's sadly getting smushed by our other two friends. But he's still adorable. So, now we have two from the box. We have these two right here. The deer and the penguin. They're both adorable. I can't choose my favorite for any of these. I'd say I like the fish a lot. Isn't that cute? They're all in their little homes indoors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's adorable. For tomorrow's guess, I'm gonna guess unicorn. Don't forget, if you like this video, remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Watch our other videos. Watch yourself out. See you soon.